Welcome back to Brodie and Emma's cooking channel, and tonight we are making kebabs. So homemade kebabs. It's going to be a quick and easy one. So I'll add in the clip of how to do the meat, but basically you can do it two ways. We have the way we've done tonight, which is fucking if it'll come out. Tonight is slow cooked meat, so we're cooking this for 12 hours. You could also just slimly slice it and cook it on a really hot pan, which is what I usually do, but I'm trying something different. I did explain in the video, which I'm going to add in. I'm going to add it in now. Okay, so now you've seen how that's done. This is the rest of our stuff. That's Emma, she's here today. So this is the rest of our stuff. So usually we would make our own garlic sauce, which is Greek yogurt, lemon juice and garlic. But for interest sakes, we've just gone Aldi and got the Aldi catalogue.
That's too lad.
Nice and quick, nice and easy, cheap. And this is how we're going to do it tonight. So we've got our foil here. We're going to lay out foil, do our wraps, put a little bit of olive oil on them, cut up our meat, put that on. We've got some lettuce here, some onion, some tomato and some cheese. As usual, we're going to put a bit of lemon juice on everything just to give it a little bit of spice. And yeah, we've got a bit of hummus as well, because you can't go anywhere without hummus. It says hummus, but I'm pretty sure it's hummus. But anyway, whatever. I'm not going to argue how it's meant to be spelled. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Brodie and Emma's cooking vlogs. Today we're making kebabs, homemade kebabs. So I'm just going to prepare my meat now ahead of time. I will slip this into the video. It'll probably be after we've sort of introduced what's happening. But this step I'm going to do now. So I'm going to attempt to slow cook the meat in the air fryer. This is the first time I've ever tried this. I don't know if it's going to work yet. That's another test for me. So we've got marinated beef roast here. I'm going to put it in the air fryer at 100 degrees for 12 hours and see what we end up with. So I'm going to put this on, guys. And I'll come back to you when we're starting off making our kebabs. Cheers, guys. Okay, so Emma is going to grate some cheese, whilst I am going to chop up some onion. Just thinly slice some onion. We don't need much of this. Just going to put a couple of strigs in with our salad. Again, just for that little bit of bite. Sometimes I do cook it. And when I do cook it, I'll put brown sugar and butter in and caramelise it because it tastes really good. But for tonight, again, I'm just sticking to simple. That's about all I'm going to use. So about half an onion, just to mix in with the cheese. As usual, we like cheese, so lots of cheese. Okay, so my onion's done. Now I'm going to move on to a tomato. So again, I'm just going to mix it all into a bowl and put a bit of lemon juice all over it, and then I'll be my salad ready to go. There, get a nice little chop up. Okay, now I've just got to wash my lettuce. Okay, so the cheese is ready. There's our cheese in our cheese bowl. So Emma's going to wash this lettuce and chop that up next. While she's doing that, I'm going to get the wraps out and start oiling them up and getting the foil ready. Okay, so here's a big moment. I'm going to try to slice the meat, see how well we've done. So we'll just cut that one down the middle, and look at that.
Oh, yum.
Perfecto is what you call that. Now we're going to thinly slice that up and put it on our wraps. So I'm just going to sit that there for a second to rest. That's why I get the wraps ready. Okay, so a nice long bit of foil, about 1.5 foot long. Our wrap. So we'll turn our wrap this way up. and a bit of olive oil. So just spruik a bit on there. Spread it all around. Like you're lathering up a baby's bottom, I think. Is that a thing?
I'm not sure. I was going to say you do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself it out.
We lather it around like we're about to have a good suntan.
Sunscreen.
I'm sure you put on babies to keep them from drying out, but whatever.
Oh, yes.
Maybe I don't know. Alright, so next step is to put some garlic on.
Do you have a spoon?
I do not have a spoon. I shall get a spoon. There is one appearing spoon. Okay. So some garlic. This garlic is really strong, so you don't need to put on too much, but we love garlic, so we put a fair bit on anyway. That's why I brought 2 containers. Can be quite overpowering, so that's why we put a bit of hummus. Mix that in as well. Okay. Ready for some cheese. Right. Just want to put some cheese on. We've got to really thinly slice our meat, which Emma is going to have a crack at.
Not with that knife.
Did you put some lemon juice on this salad?
I did not.
Okay, we shall put some lemon juice on our salad. Lemon juice in the salad.
Oh, oh.
Give it a good squirt. Okay. So nice and even, like you're making a pizza at the moment. Bit of everything on there, try to get some more tomatoes. Okay. Now we've got some.
Sliced enough or not?
Yep, got some nice meat. Get it off that gristly bit. Still chuck the gristly in, but like that. Or the hard shell, I should say. Not necessarily gristle, but hard shell from perfectly made roast beef. Okay. Now, we can make this a little fatter. A bit more cheese. A little more salad. Okay. Want this thing stuffed. So we're gonna roll it up like that. Just push up the end a little. And then we start the foil. Okay. We're just gonna roll. Slowly heading towards the front, so we've got a bit to the back. Okay, so roll it over. It's not going to look pretty. We're not professionals here. If you want professional kebabs, go to Master Kebabs in Batemans Bay. Tell them Brodie sent you. You will get the best kebab of your life. Complain about the price all you want, but it'll fill you and you get what you pay for. So that's one ready. So I'll now put them in the air fryer for 10 minutes at 200. Roughly. I'm not sure yet. Maybe 7 minutes. See how that goes. Okay, so I've pulled them out. So I've done 8 minutes at 200. They're nice and crispy. So I shall give you a look. I can't remember whose is whose anymore. I've really confused this up. Whose is whose?
This is yours? No, that's yours, that's mine, that's Bella's.
So nice and crispy. Give it a bite. Perfect. Emma's just deep frying some chips over there to go with hers and the kids. But that's great. Everyone, please like and subscribe. Let us know how you go and enjoy. Cheers, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Welcome to Brodie Tries New Things. Brodie tries new things. Whoa, Brodie tries new things. subscribe.